noKabuyelo
Yeah.
chubekani nibathela induku la kuBetway baze bafike mele bebayeze kule level yenu ngenkani.
We don't give Sundowns the respect that they deserve.
Yeah.
Nje as a country we don't give Mamelodi Sundowns the respect that they
Mara
deserve
because
because
ku post match interview magathi we need to improve there.
yeah.
We can't have a team win league by 8 ingagcwalisi stadium.
Stadium.
As been honest, nani Masandawana fans, we need to challenge you. You need to challenge yourself. Kaizer Chiefs redeeming themselves.
Yeah.
Kahle. You understand? Under Coach Nabi. Check ukuthi after that final whistle South Africa winjani.
I'm fine.
Angifuni angikhuluma into eziningi.
Yeah. No mfana ngibonile bengisekazi mina.
Bekathi December.
Christmas.
Yeah. Sanbonani ma South Africa mahle, sanbonani ma Africa mahle. Yet again, this is yet another exciting episode Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, and I'm your host uJabu Mahlangu. Kodwa angihambi ngiwani, ngihamba nesikhokho sami sense of knowledge. Namhlanje this show it's about nje ama topics awasebholweni, and we want to congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns for retaining their title for the 8th times. Sibuye futhi sithi hey, if voodoo ngathi le naturena ngathi seliphelile bafethu. We will also want to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs for winning in Nedbank Cup after 10 years bafethu. 10 years, decade. But sizohlafuna ke nezinye indaba our under 20 national teams nabo ba qualified for a World Cup, bakuma semi-finals we Africa Cup of Nations, and under 17 qualified nayo for a World Cup. Yizo indaba esizohlafuna ke nezinye ne outcome la isikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo sense of knowledge la kuJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers bafethu. Sense before ngena mfana, this video is brought to you by BetJets. Click the link below to register and use the code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. Jabu 50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu. Sicela ni support any budget bafethu, register laphana ni link. And nakwamanye ama show wami ningakhohlwa ukuthi we also have iJabu Mahlangu prediction show powered by BetJets. Please bafethu, sicela ningeneni laphana, ama prediction wethu are spot on. Okwamanje so far so good bafethu. Knowledge Fede kunjani mfana?
Kunjani ntwana?
Yizo ngimnandi ntwana, ngimnandi.
I know.
Namhlanje sina guest mfana, sibhekane emehlweni namhlanje boy.
No, iviki elikhulu leli my brother. It's a very big week. We are congratulating Mamelodi Sundowns. We're also congratulating Kaizer Chiefs for winning in Nedbank Cup after a very long time. So yeah, it's going to be a very beautiful show. We hope our viewers will stay with us. Bazwe silogo sihlafuna kancane. Nami ngizintroduce Sibusiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, a co-host on JMDS. Looking forward to a beautiful show. Danko mdlala.
Danko Shilu Mahlangu, Shilu Ndebele lakhethu. Bathini siyarara. Bathini konje bathi sikhuluma. Ithini ngitshele banayi kwangilapha. Hayi ngitshela into right sense. Mangithi asihlafune ngesindaba.
Hayi siyahlafuna ntwana, sihlafune ntwana, you can.
Asihlafune bafethu, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Tisiringasi. Ntwana Mamelodi Sundowns retaining Betway Premiership manje for the 8 times in a row, but they won in the PSL era by winning 17 times.
Yeah.
So go back was 18.
Yo.
So wow. Sundowns mfethu, who's going to stop Mamelodi Sundowns mfana kithi?
Yeah, mfana yazini i-Sundowns angazi ngibe kanjani, but I feel ukuthi we don't give i-Sundowns the respect that they deserve.
Yeah.
Nje as a country we don't give Mamelodi Sundowns the respect that they
Mara
deserve
siyagaya,
because
mfethu.
no, we siyagaya thina because maybe we have this platform and because maybe we played football and we understand the ball and we know how difficult it is to win a Betway Premiership. But generally nje when you sitting out nje namajita talking about football, you can feel mfethu ukuthi people don't respect the Sundowns the way they should. Even you see, even if I'm a fan in any team, I feel ukuthi Sundowns should be given the respect for a lot of things that they've done, but for showing a consistency throughout the years. It's the 8th time now. They're showing us ukuthi they don't have competition in the league. Cabanga phela manje baselenga ngakhi games, I think 2 games, 1 baselenga 1 game. Sebayinile i-league, and in other countries it goes up until the last game, but thina lana kusele 1 game. Okay, it's better Pirates challenge them this season. It was better and we're hoping ukuthi next season it will change, but for this season njengoba usho, let's congratulate them. And mina I would really love to ask abantu be-South Africa to give Mamelodi Sundowns the respect that they deserve, because they are doing well for our country and for our Betway Premiership. They are upping up standard, basithatha basibeka phezulu. The other teams need to step up. We cannot have a team who win a league 8 times in a row. What are the other teams doing?
Hey. Yeah, no. Congratulations to Masandawana Kabuyelu. Shapa. Masandawana Shapa. I know bona mfana i-standard basisetile mfana siphezulu kakhulu. Yeah, ama-team asafuna ma-excuse ukuthi hey imali hey hayi.
No.
Mawungena mali, develop your own.
Exactly.
Yeah, you understand?
Mawungana mali develop come up with a strategy. Yeah.
You understand? So as Saturday Knicks Tina la as GMTS we salute Mamelodi Sundowns for what they've been doing through all these years for South African football. And also, you know, as a former player, you know, I felt like ngilengafila uKadoso, coach Mamelodi Sundowns, when Sundowns was playing at home against Al Ahly and the stadium was empty. It was not full to capacity. I felt him mdlala.
Yeah.
Post-match interview magati we need to improve there.
Yeah.
We can't have a team win a league by 8 ingagcwalisa
stadium.
As being honest, nani Masandawana fans, we need to challenge you. You need to challenge yourself actually, because tina siyakhuluma nje general as ama player ukuthi we saw Egypt ukuthi bekunjani eCairo, and we know noma uya kubuma Esperance we dead kuba red.
Yeah.
Or kuba yellow if team yakhona igcoka ikhala eyellow stadium. So Sundowns fans, they need to start also to show more respect to their own club and their own brand by doing what? By making sure ukuthi Sundowns ayidlala stadium empty.
Yeah.
Even noma kuwa league mfethu, it's disappointing to watch Sundowns mayidlala Loftus.
No, that's true.
It's very disappointing out
yeah.
Ubona crowd encane elapha eteamini dominator
doing so well. Yeah.
Who's doing so well,
playing entertaining football.
Everything is perfect mdlala.
Yeah.
It's only the attendance that needs to improve manje kuMamelodi Sundowns. And angikhulumi so mhlambe ngoba ngithi mhlambe ngifuna ukubhesha Sundowns or the coach said it.
Yeah.
And asukudala afikile lo muntu, but obvious sekarezile
uyakhona
ukubona ukuthi hayi man, it's either marketing or amafe angazi sense, but something needs to improve in terms of better attendance Mamelodi Sundowns home games, especially not kungagcwali mabadlala ne Pirates ne Chiefs, and noma badlala ne Chiefs ne Pirates. For example, mabadlala ne Chiefs kusuke kuyi Chiefs egcwele. You understand? I-Chiefs dominator ne-Pirates ngama-fans kwamanye amadabi. So I think mina nje ngicela ama-Santawana fans bafethu ngicela nje at least improvani leso space.
But then again, yes, you're right when you're saying maybe their marketing departments needs to improve.
Yes.
You are right there.
Yes.
But then again, in majority of our fans in South Africa, they are Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates fans. And abantu intanga zethu, abantu abadala, and the some of young ones. But Sundowns, I believe ukuthi it will improve as iminyaka year as we grow old. Mina now the young ones that are seeing Sundowns win are now starting to favor or support Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, you're right.
That's
now.
the next generation.
No, okay.
So it will take a little bit of time, maybe another 10 years, we would see a bit of change in terms of Ilontuzane yabo, because ama fans phela mawuzovela uJabu ungaka uthi favor Sundowns, we will ask you uqale nini ukufavor Sundowns.
Yeah, no, ngiyakuthola.
Uyathola lawo question le
yeah.
ugcina ubonakala ngathi uyifavor manje ngoba uyawina bo ufavor nikudala. Uyangithola. But those people aba supporting Sundowns manje is people that were supporting Sundowns from vele kudala vele laba bakhona, the few fans abanawo, and maybe there's a few abawagainile in the past few years.
Obviously, yes.
Yes, so I believe ukuthi with intwana zethu eziziloko zikhula bazowela kuyi-Sundowns if they continue to dominate the way they are dominating.
Yeah, no, I lapho 100 intwana. All right, because vele intwana zifavor team ewinayo. Intwana encane nazifavor azifuni team.
That's why Chiefs in our fans are because
sikhule nayo dominate kakhulu for isikhathi eside. That's why no valid point mfethu. And then we can move to singamuva mos nangisho.
Asiye Sundowns. Congratulate.
No kabuyelo. Chubekani nibathela induku la ku Betway baze bafike. Mele baeze kule level yenu ngenkani. Another big weekend mfethu last week Moses Mabhida mfana kithi.
Eish mfana.
Kaizer Chiefs redeeming themselves. Kahle. You understand, under Coach Nabi and obviously his a new technical team le figure this season le mayicala after 10 years, decade without a trophy, seyiphelile la ile manje.
Wayengathi ufuna ukukhala ngokhuluma ngale wini.
Hayi angifuni ukukhala.
Ujabule kakhulu.
No. Hayi angifuni ukukhala. No mamela. Angifuni ukukhala. Nyasho nje intwana.
Wayengathi uba emotional ntwana.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
Alright.
I'm not. Hey usenze madoda, ngidonsa ngomlenze.
Sure.
No, angikho emotional intwana.
Okay.
It's because check ukuthi after that final whistle South Africa winjani.
Ayimfana.
Angifuni angikhuluma into eziningi.
Yeah. No mfana ngibonile bengisekazi mina.
Bekathi December.
Christmas.
Yeah. We understand because the institution inkulu.
It's very big, Joe. It's
huge.
Big. Yeah.
But congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, for redeeming themselves and being the champions as a Nedbank Cup. So now we will have, I think, 3 or 4 of our best teams also going into Continental Football Champions League and Confederations. Chiefs na yidlala. Pirates, it looks like the way league is saying it looks like na Pirates izogcina ku number 2. Obviously is Sundowns iku final vele iyoidlala iwina ne league izobe idlala. So sizobe siphethe our top 3 ithatha 2 Confederations no number 4 ne. Then lapho kusho ukuthi is between Stelis and Sekhukhune ngoba ngathi basa ku tight nyana lapho. But congratulations for Kaizer Chiefs ntwana. Uyibone kanjani le game Saturday idabi after losing the previous week ku league. And ngisibizile by the way le score line kuma predictions. Ngisibizile ngathi Chiefs win 2-1. I had my reason but when uyibone kanjani mfana le win le cup leli liyoyenzelani iKaizer Chiefs ntwana as an institution?
Yeah, obviously mfana booster i-confidence yabo nje as a team bonke nje, anyone who's involved with Kaizer Chiefs izobooster i-confidence yabo going to the next season, and izobanika the belief again ukuthi yazini we can also do it, we can also stay with the top 2 teams in the country, or we can compete in Africa and represent the country, because if our top team like Kaizer Chiefs is not involved go continental football, it's bad.
Yeah.
It's bad for the country, not just for Kaizer Chiefs. In football, in every country, your top teams or your big teams must always represent the country.
Yes.
Even in Europe,
Yes.
you know, mfethu, the top teams, the big teams must represent the country. So not having a Kaizer Chiefs representing our country, it was bad for our football. It was very bad for our football. So you will see when we go play Manje Confederation, you will see how it will look, especially if they do well ku Confederation. Stadiums izogcwala again. The excitement. Look at Kaizer Chiefs when Unabi first came, and there was excitement and new buzz. Look at stadium begcwala kanjani. Kaizer Chiefs phela in Gauteng bengasayigcwalisa FNB.
Yeah.
But when Nabi came in, stadium saqala saqwala because of the excitement. Kaizer Chiefs begcwalisa le mapulukwane mayiphumile
Yeah.
But the Gauteng
Crowd attendance, it was bad.
So it started coming back makqala kufika Unabi. So things improved when Unabi came in with the excitement and the buzz. So I just hope ukuthi they will continue doing well for the country, because we do need them. We need the big guns to perform on the field and do well and win our cups.
So in terms of your outstanding players and as a Kaizer Chiefs, or as a game general for both Pirates and Chiefs, who bekuwa bobani ama player mhlambe ubone uthi yeah no ngale final no bebaqamile on the day, and even if naku Pirates noma they lost, but yabona just nje ama player wena akujabulisile on the day, and iKaizer Chiefs futhi njengoba iyodlala eAfrica, they need serious depth. They need to sign more players now, because continental football idemanda kakhulu.
Yeah.
And ngokuya kwakho which department la iChiefs kumele, because we know ukuthi they've been third worst conceding team in the PSL this season. Into engafani neKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
They've conceded, I think, 30 goals manje, if I stand to be corrected, somewhere there. And Chiefs ayijwayelekanga. So banga reinforce kuphi mdlala, and abobana machita or throughout iNetbank nje from Kaizer Chiefs akudlalele ayenze ukuthi this dream eyokuthi iChiefs iwin a trophy layo in 10 years ibe possible.
I have players that I love and how they play football. Nama player ngwathandayo mina. At Kaizer Chiefs, I have a player like Userinho that I love so much because he's skillful, but I have a problem not the way acabanga ngakhona. Discipline yakhe is not nje yinkinga yami nayo lo yamchita lo. And then my favorite player uCele. You see, I just feel ukuthi okay, injury nyane yamphazamisa here and there.
Yeah.
So now he was busy njengoba season sezophela ulwa ne-injury ne-fitness. But then he's my favorite player, and I think next season he will help them a lot. And njengoba usho ukuthi in terms of kumele ba beef up and if they bring in good players around yena uCele, they can build a team around yena lo yamchitelo. I think he's a very good player. He can help Kaizer Chiefs, and he can also raise his hand for Bafana Bafana. But where I think Kaizer Chiefs needs to reinforce, they need to get a goalkeeper, a very good goalkeeper. You see, if you want to win games in Mfethu, you need a goalkeeper. Which even when the chips are down, when things are not going well, but we have at least at the back we've got a goalkeeper. Look at the game of Barcelona and the Inter. A goalkeeper with Inter Mfethu literally took them to the semi to the thing to the final.
To the final, yeah.
If you look at the saves that he did,
Yeah.
yeah. So we need a goalkeeper on swim. Sundowns has a run when. We need a goalkeeper with when isn't was it better and fit. Who's Shama save now? Yeah, today goalkeeper was Tatil was bigger lap. So I think they do need a goalkeeper. They need a center backs. They also need a striker. For me, I think that's someone who's like a goal poacher.
Yeah, no, that's...
Njengoba abantu bafuna uFiston Mayele, I think they should get him because you are
But
ukuthi umuntu okorayo lo.
But it's too expensive now. I've heard actually bengispana nomdogisi SABC a few weeks ago. Manje, that guy, I think but he is ngizwe ngomdogisi. Yabona what he currently is one of the highest paid players in the whole of African continent. So it's too expensive manje.
Yeah.
Because there's a skat bami kunbekune opportunity kukhulunywa ngaye. I think unabi athi uyamfuna kwaba nama delays manje. If bayumlanda vele, and you're right, he's a good striker, but hey, akuzomele bakhiphe ngoba ngizwe bathi he earns a lot of money manje. Currently he's one of the highest, not the highest,
so
but
value yakhe
iphakeme, exactly. Iphakeme, and he has shown go CAF Champions League ukuthi he's a quality striker, so ivalue yakhe iphakeme kakhulu. And then for me namdlala, I think iPirates coming to Liga game final, I think as a former player uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani mfethu ukudlala ne team kayi2 and nibashaye first game and second game nodlala nabo futhi. Noma ucoach angani encourage kanjani ukuthi ni switch on nani, and based on history Chiefs at that time ukuthi being a winner cup for the past 10 years, I think mina psychologically ibaphazamisile labafana bePirates abanye ukuthi hayi sizobashaya la, because I mean they've played 6 cup finals, they've won 5. So when you look that engcondweni yakho yasho laba siyazi idabi but sizodlula laba, because Really Mfukeng, I think he has played a lot of games. Gunala, he's a special player. Sonke siyamthanda South Africa, all of us. You understand? No to favor ini nani is not a uyamfana unzima wazibhola. Unkota is improving. And the way nyamthanda the way is coming. Yabona uKabelo Dlamini, he needs that consistency in terms of makacala ama game. Because when he starts, sometimes it doesn't give you udropa kancane ntwana sekasilethu yakena, you understand, sifuna ikhule and umnandi. He's one of the most underrated midfielders and intswembu la ntwana unzima kakhulu lamjila, but nginaleyo nto leyo man, there's something ngiyibonile egamini yakhe ukuthi man makacala man akabi effective kakhulu, but when he comes from the bench it seems like he can read the game very well. That's why makacala from a bench ayikho igame uKabela aqale from the bench as angena as a sub wangayenzi impact, is either assist or if I assist he will pass the player that will assist to the goal scorer. So he's always involved. You understand? So he's always involved with Pirates and those long diagonal passes. Mfana ushanga uyajima
ngepass course
mamela uyajima. So he needs, I think kulapho kumela improve khona. And then mang analyze uMabasa ubukeka ngathi angimazi on a personal level, very clinical eboxini ukudlula uMahopa, but iwe great kaMahopa is here. That's why kuma Champions League games kakhulu bebadlalisa uMahopa, because you need to work
hard.
You need to work. Yabona noma nayo uMahopa shota ngentonyana eziningi basic. You understand, but coaches they like players like him. Noma Nisho is not well developed, but he works for the team. Yabona. Then uMabasa nginokuthi mangimbhekile analyze ibody language yakhe, mina personally, it's only my view. Makangena as a sub ngathi usuke sekakwatile already. ngicela uyinotice
Ngiyakuva, yeah,
and
yeah.
Daideng manje iyenza ukuthi noma ngena athole opportunity akayenzi
Akekho
impact
ready, yeah.
akekho ready.
Yeah.
It's only my observation mdlalo
Yes,
because
ngiyakuva,
ngim-analyzile
Ntwana, yeah.
for all this season. Makangacala uyambona he looks noma ku warm up like uyambona but
Ne-body language
ne-body
yakhe,
language
uyabona
angisho
ukuthi, yeah.
ngidlalile ibhola.
Yeah.
So makacala second half ngathi uba nokukwata.
Yeah.
So he needs to fix that.
Yes.
If you want to be a professional because this is a team sport akusi boxing or golf la we one corner.
Yeah, I think uma khupa kula mshaya khona. Uma khupa even when he comes
When he
on
comes,
as a sub,
yeah.
he will run. Even if I'm nigga 5
Hey,
minutes,
Joe.
he will run. He will work hard.
Yes.
So, but this coach, Riviero, you can see he loves abantu that works hard. Even though I'm a player, work uyakwazi ukuba protector, but uyabathanda abantu abasebenzayo. I was checking some stats. Diono Hoto is the only player, is the highest player odlale under Riviero in terms of appearances.
Mm-hmm.
And then kuze I think uCBC then kube uKabelo Dlamini. And I was surprised ngoba uKabelo Dlamini only comes
Hey.
subs and but in terms of appearances, these three are his top 3 players at Pirates. So it tells you ukuthi amachita wafrosta nayo, but uKabelo njengoba usho ukuthi nami lento ekhuluma ngoKabelo ngiyibonile and umfana wethu will talk to him. I would love for him ukuthi he was supposed to be a starter manje at Pirates. He's supposed to now help Pirates win the league.
And knock
next
kubafana
season.
bafana.
And knock kubafana
Because
bafana
ngimtshayile na, yeah.
his style of play sakhe mfethu usinama array ama player anjengo Kabelo.
Very rare.
He's very technical lo yamchita lo
At the high level mdladla.
mamela ipass lo yamuntu lo uzokhipha ndoda. And uyakhona ukuyenza iPirates. I'll go to a Champions League. Pirates lost a Champions League because they don't, I don't know whether much it ayasaba or ayenzani, but if they had players that can retain the ball, defend with the ball, they could have won that game. Players abangasabi ukuthi balibambe ibhola, balrotate, badlale like just the way Sundowns does ukuthi sometimes we manage the game. We keep the ball, rotate the ball around sometimes. You don't have to rush. So you Pirates, because they were so nervous, Joe, and the stadium was empty. I don't know ama nerves with Bewabuyapi because the game was so open. In fact, the Pyramids were much more better when they played here in South Africa.
Yeah.
The first leg. Second leg, the first half of the game, it was an open game. Pirates could have scored more goals. Pirates could have managed the game much better than they did. When ipola malifika kubo, selibuyela le Pyramids.
But good derby ke.
Good derby
Yes,
mfethu
we are in Nedbank Cup.
njengoba usho it was a psychological thing. Laba baze ngengqondo yokuthi asizobashaya la. I-final masingena ku-final siyazi sizoyiwina. It's the 6th time now sizoyiwina. I-Chiefs iza ngani? For mina even though I was not part of abajita we-Chiefs, I was telling my friend ukuthi le game le iwinwa ama-player le. Ayisanidi ama-tactics, ayisanidi next.
Yeah.
Mina now as
Yeah.
teammate
Yeah.
sitting
Yeah.
as in ntwana sifikile manje lana but guys let's fucking go. I heard a statement ukuthi le ntwana lena uDuba was even shouting at half time, telling senior players, shouting abathe ukuthi madoda asiyeni, we can win this game. That's the kind of attitude. That's why le ntwana le ngincanywa. He's not the most talented, but when he plays, uyambona he plays with his heart. And that's what you need from other players at Kaizer Chiefs, to play and represent that badge and understand that's a big badge mfethu. When you play for that team, you leave everything on the field. Ngapane backkeeper mfethu half time, but my backkeeper uyazi ukuthi I gave my all, I gave everything.
Yes.
You can't play half or 60% and then you know mawudlala ntwana dlala 100%. And I think kule final le most of their players, they did that. They played with their hearts.
Abe Chiefs.
Chiefs.
So Chiefs, they wanted it more than
They
the
wanted
Orlando
it more.
Pirates.
Yes.
Because you're right mdladla. Now iPirates beyifuna obviously so that the coach yabo nayo mayihamba yabona baqede kahle on a high note or on a good note, because they did well for the past 2 seasons or 3 seasons nale coach. and
And there was no fighting from them, chap.
yeah,
There
that's
wa-
why
there was no fighting.
that's why
man.
you are right ukuthi
Yeah.
Chiefs wanted this more than Pirates, and you are right footmouth leya game leya ama tactics amfana bongawabeka wenzini it was a different ball game, right? Beyifuna ukuthi sense ntwana siyabangena
Yeah.
ntwana lapho yenza show yabona. I mean, look at the pressing a second goal Kaizer Chiefs. Umbokazi tried to play in, they were still in their half. Pirates tried to play Ebola in the middle lane. Lilepo won that ball, played to Umduduzi. Umduduzi played outside
Dupree, yeah.
Dupree made a cross, and then Umar came late running and one touch, beautiful
goal,
strike.
yeah.
And we know Utu Mike Umar has been also criticized this
A
season
lot.
a lot.
Yeah.
And the only thing Mina I can say, you will never win a battle maulwa nama fans.
Yeah.
That's number one. You will never win. Uyangithola bheka uRanga when he scored season mayicala walwa nama friend with you and you can't do that.
Yeah.
So Umar umchazelani noma he's not my favorite player.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie. Yabona he was span captain, so and lela bandi limenza futhi ukuthi aspane kakhulu, like more, because we captain eklaphe eGroot. But you must answer ngomsebenzi wakho.
Yes.
Ama fans if I criticize.
Yeah.
And he did that very well.
Yeah, Nami,
final.
I would love to say to Mart, he must continue doing what it, as long as he still has a contract with Kaizer Chiefs. No matter what other people are saying, the fans and whoever criticizes him, the media and everyone, as long as the coach still puts him on the field to play, he must continue to work hard, and that shows leadership, and it shows Uguti he's a professional football player. You know, you don't. It shows Ilontuzane yakhe ukuthi he is strong mentally.
Yeah.
And I would love to say to him, he must continue doing what he's doing and continue to lead by example, because he's the captain of the team.
Yeah.
So yeah, congratulations to him as well, Umar. He scored a very beautiful goal.
Yeah, beautiful goal. And don't forget, Bafetu, to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringers. Nesikoko sami sense of knowledge sihlafuna indaba mfana, ngifuna sidlula, ngifuna isihlale kakhulu kunama topic kumele siwahlafune, but kune rumor ukuthi ngathi ucoach Nabi naye background ngathi akukho mnandi. Angazi uyizwile na ngizwile nje nami. I'm still trying to get ama facts. Mhlambe in our next show we will have ama facts. Why I'm raising this is it's just a rumor esizwayo. Uyabona ebholweni uyazi once kuba ne rumor kwesinye esikhathini esiningi kuba na something vele yenzakalayo behind the scenes.
Yeah, but there's no smoke without fire.
There's no smoke without fire, but it's still a rumor. We will gather our own facts as GMDS, and then sizayihlafuna mase siwaphethe kahle ama facts. But into engifuna ukuyibuza before sizoza na ku coach we Pirates, ucabanga ukuthi mfana uNabi, okay, let me put it this way. Mina, I think if the rumors are true, I'll be disappointed.
Athi in lama rumor chao.
No, ukuthi ngathi club or izomvayisa, or like ngathi there's issues behind the scenes.
Okay.
Let me just put it that way. Nami ngafaki njoba ngisho I'm still gathering ama facts.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm still gathering ama facts. Ngizowathola vele. Ngizosithola istory full nje soon. Or mhlambe ngizothi ngithi ngizosithola sivele siphume.
Yeah.
Kuma media, media. I don't know, but ngizwile nje kancane
ukuthi kunento ezingahambi
kunokuxabana okuthize ekube khona
between ubani nobani.
Maybe or management ne technical team no coach.
Oh, okay, all right, okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
I think mangizwa ngathi kuthiwe there was a time la sporting director uJunior Kaizer Chiefs was not happy. I think after they lost 2-0 to Chipa United, and he was very upset and all those things. Yeah, but for me na joba ngisho ngithi will still gather the proper facts. If kwenzeka angahamba uNabi, which is something that engayiboni iyenzeka. You understand? Because the process le it's not a one season process in fact to build a strong team, a very competitive team. Uyabona uyayidinga na 3 years. I mean previous coaches like Steve Kompela bamniki 3 seasons full wayiceda wayivala icontract yakhe wazihlulekela yena phela. Uyangunderstand? Awazihlulekela ama cup bewangekho azange bekhona unabo lethile cup nali baliphethe manje cup. So mina personally ngiyafisa ukuthi ngicela bamgaye chance and bamnikeze nama player, bamthengele nama player awafunayo, hayi akhethwa afunwa i-management or i-player lithandwa i-management. Because I'm not saying ukuthi i-Chiefs iyenza kanjalo, but in football ikhona lento le now uyayazi sense whereby sometimes i-management iyesign i-player ngoba bayalithanda, they idolize that player malidlalela enye club uthi coach yena kuma plans wakhe lelo player alikho, or sometimes kuba i-coach efuna i-player uthola ukuthi i-club ithi mara lo akamnandanga. But in that case mayifunwa i-coach as now uyi-coach, I think melumniki because uyi-coach.
Yes, because I know ngimsebenzisa
kanjani. Unlike kuyi i-club ekulethela i-player ongazanga uthi uyalifuna. Wena if iqiniso lamaruma or if unaba ngahamba uyibona kanjani ntwana wena?
Nah, mina honestly speaking I wouldn't encourage Kaizer Chiefs to release Unabi. Firstly, because of obvious reasons, he's won them a cup now, and he did say Uguti he wants to build a team, and it's a problem that we all know. Kaizer Chiefs has been struggling for the past 10 years, and they've been changing coaches without results. This one has brought in results. Why chase him away? Laba banye laba ubanika ama 3 years, they brought you nothing, and you still kept them. This one has won you something, and ufuna ukumxosha. So I wouldn't tell them to release Unabi. And number 2, I think that he's building a good team. If you look at Kaizer Chiefs player for player in certain positions, they are doing well. But building a team in one season.
Because yazi sense thing again, yazi the funny part gents ne ngi Chiefs. When you check ama stats with PSL yonke. The Chiefs iku top 3. Good league. The whole league iku top 3. You creator ama chances but they don't score. The only difference with they don't score. I'm telling you, stats, you must check. In Kaizer Chiefs, it's the top 3: Sundowns, Pirates, and Kaizer Chiefs. Currently, good PSL, I'm a team.
So they don't convert the chances.
They don't convert. So they are creating. Stats are there. So they need to find that goal poach. Because I don't like Uguting attack my player personal none. But having Maurice, not to praise, I feel like you are having one player. Yazi lo ukuthi ufast uMaurice is big but abafana noMayele. Yabona if mhlawumbe unoMaurice uno Dupris bese uba neplayer njengoMayele. Uyangithola, then you are balance. Mawudlala away udinga ukushaya amabhola behind the defense, you can use Dupris. Mawufuna ukushaya reference mhlambe ni under pressure manifuna ukuphuma ngestriker niphuma ngoMayela naye ongekho that slow, ongekho that fast, but he's a proper
he can hold up the ball.
He score, he challenges even nama cross, he goes in there, he's stuck in there. They need to find that balance because ungasayina nama player afanayo. And I'm hoping ukuthi next season Umfundo Vilakazi will start playing more because intanga zakhe aborila bonkota bayamshiya out yami. I know ukuthi it's different guys because Pirates has been doing well. It's easy for ama 2000 ukungena eteamini eyenza kahle and it's not easy ukungena as a youngster eteamini be under pressure njenge Kaizer Chiefs. But I'm saying le ntwana leya from isadlala ku eThembisa bekuyi intwana engake naboma 11 15 idlala nama Grootman ku open. So angeke kuzobe kungabisinto yokucala umfundo ukuthi uzodlala nabantu abadala. But I understand it difference njoba ngishilo between the Pirates and the Chiefs situation. It's not the same, but I feel good that boy whenever he's given a chance he wants to play, so let him play, let him enjoy, make mistakes, akhale makayenza mistake akhule abe mnandi. Next year ngifuna ukubona more of umfundo.
But based on the games that we've seen him play, do you think it deserves to start games?
Yeah, mina bengingamcala even namanje, but njoba ngisho it's tricky because if mhlamba ngaba ne bad game maybe ngamlimaza I spirit sakhe imkhawate, but mina I believe ukuthi mfethu ngene lapha ngina 18 and ngene kune itaku Kaizer Chiefs. Thabo Moki, the late Thabang, Paul Ndlanya, Robson Mchichwa, Frank Makua, bra ngene lapha I just went there to enjoy myself. That was the first thing. Intwana uyayitshela uthi go have fun. Go have fun, but within the structures ozokuthi team ufuna idlale kanjani. Mayiluzile intwana iyokhala ngisho intwana uyayibamba uyayithepa next week uyayifaka futhi.
Because just like Unkota yenza Unkota sometimes will have a bad game, but next game
bamfaki futhi, and then that's how you improve. But leyo ukuthi some protector all together ngadlali all together angeke sibukele la sikhulume ngolamili lamali ubheka ama stats wale yantwana at 17 ashani waka Messi noka Cristiano at that age bese thina intwana ena 19 eYolanda bo 2018 bese silibele siyidlile. So I'm saying he's now a professional, he's young but he's a professional, umsebenzi wakhe mele afele empini. So asidlule intwana I Pirates ba announce ukuthi ucoach angeke asayicede isizini bayamrelease before isizini iphela. Ucoach Ncikazi uzoba ile uyibona kanjani le shuthi yiyo mina ngokwami futhi ngingakubuza leyo ukuthi ucoach akasayicedi manje sengibona ngathi yiyo ezoyenza ukuthi ama player ama game asele we Pirates kumele iwadlale iwacedelele. Ngibona ngathi ispirit ke le yes izosiphula for ama player because before ba announceile few months ago ba announceile abantu bathi sabanama opinion ahlukile. Mina personally ngathi hayi it's better ukuthi team ithathe responsibility no coach and they were honest to their players, unlike ama player if bewezwa ngama rumor emaphepheni different media ukuthi coach wenu yaba marabona bantsheli yabona. That was me, but abanye bathi it was premature bekumele bayeke isizini iphele. But now kumanje after bay announceile still le intwana ziqhubekile zadlala but bobona ukuthi ziphazamisekile kancane uyabona. Now akasacedi league and excel a few games. What's your take?
And I was pungile naye loyo ay
and
uthe lo mthaka lo
and lalela and angisho bekuthiwe i-team ayisitshelanga kahle ayitshelanga umuntu ukuthi the real reason mhlambe bazositshela isizini mayiphela ukuthi what is that real reason yenza ukuthi both teams zifike kuleyo agreement ukuthi hayi asihlukane kahle asazi. But bekunalento ukuthi bathi ukhumbule ekhaya but manje njengoba bathi angeke asaceda isizini yalama game actually last game yakhe le ya Tuesday bathi kunama rumors ukuthi uzoya eEgypt ku Al Ahly ayo negotiate khona. Nakhona is only rumors for now.
Now that's the real reason. Leza boma homesick nani bekudlalwa ngayo.
Ayikho leto lena. Into endala
mfana into endala kangaka. Isemsebenzini.
Ikhalelu mama yo.
Awusibungile.
Oh,
That's
kushuthi-
the real
kushuthi
reason.
bekune-deal
I think Pirates found out ukuthi this guy is negotiating nalabantu laba base Egypt.
leza ziyamfuna
And then
lezi
from then, that's when
Oh.
maybe yaqala manje yabanikeza lento lena, and then they said yazini decide again. This season mayiphele uyahamba, and they decided to announce. But looking back, we spoke about it angithi mina now, and we said
Yeah.
maybe it's good
yes
with ba announce rather than finding out from the media ukuthi umuntu uyavaya.
yeah
But mase ngibheka manje, I think iba destabilizile kancane ntwana.
performance yabo yes bekuyi Pirates sibona isasemnandi but
Yeah, khona iba destabilizile, and we
Yeah.
are not a campaign near Pirates. We don't know what's happening inside, but I think khona into eyenzile ma playing, because azange basadlala the same way, the same attitude lebe banayo, or the way besicabanga ukuthi thina they will play and pray for the coach and want to win things for the coach. Some of the games that they've lost for me, it's unacceptable. They were not supposed to win some of the games.
To lose.
Yes. Ama games about
Or to
losing.
draw
Champions.
amanye.
Mina kakhulu futhi ngikhala nge-Champions League. You see the
but
Champions
Champions
League.
League ngiyabamela
Ah,
ntwana intwana ezincane
Ah,
lesicala ukudlala sense
I understand that. Yazi izangukutshela. Izangukutshela. Okay, wait. Wait, izangukutshela. Uzongitshela let me tell you.
lentwana ziyenze kahle zaperforma kamnandi nakhohle ukuthi intwana and most yazobe kwama first season if mina we didn't even expect
I
lentwana
get
they will
that.
do that
I
so
get that.
let's not forget that element
No, that one I
sikhulume
get,
ngawo
yeah.
ngathi lentwana zina experience at all mdlali
Yes, they don't have experience, but you've got
But look
experienced
at what
coach,
they've done.
You've got experienced coach, you've got analyst, you've got a technical team, a grand. Mamel, on a 2 goals lead, Champions League, 2 goals lead, job.
lack of experience
And then udlala una 5 emuva lo mthakalo, 5.
knowledge experience
5.
mara ile nto engishoyo kula ingena khona that's why ngithi lentwana somewhere somehow vele yes they've been doing well mara somewhere somehow mdladla uyazi
Man, they could have came up with a better plan to manage that game, Joe, and win 2 goals lead. Good Champions League, Joe. It's a game, especially
So, ngiyakhalisa their Champions League.
stages. Young Khalisa,
Mara bashawe team is strong, abo number one.
That team ayuko stronger than Pirates.
mfethu
That team le ayuko stronger than Pirates.
their team is strong
Pirates-
in Egypt manje mfethu their team abo number
In
1
Egypt, in Egypt.
yeah but it's a league nabo and badlala nabo Al Ahly and they are
Yes.
top go Al Ahly so you can't say
they can be the best team in Egypt. I don't care. That team compared to Pirates is better than that team, player for player. And on that
Yeah,
day,
no, man.
my man, that game it was so open that I thought Pirates was gonna score my 3 goals. And when
inkinga yakho
when Umkotsi
Yabona,
scored that
inkinga
goal,
yakho ke le.
that game was open, Joe.
Ntwana,
Open. I
experience
finally
leza- leza-
sibukele Al Ahly on the same day. We watched Al Ahly, and then we went and watched Dontozane Pirates. Tactically, Joe, the Al Ahly Sundowns game was very tactical. Highly tactical. It was so compact. Like even now, as a student of the game, but like Sundowns, being tense, I was sitting on the edge of my couch. But layer Pirates, Joe, being relaxed, the way they open a corner, and I'm a player with Pirates are skillful, Joe.
yeah but
They were one-on-one situations. There were moments where Pirates were supposed to share the ball and just pass.
but ibuyela kule nto engishilo angeke sicede sense ibuyela kule nto le ukuthi for mina ama 2000 abuya ku DDC ikhoye Orlando Pirates a lot of them so they don't have a Champions League experience it was their first Champions League experience and they did well for me to even reach ama semi-final kahle kahle
I'm not
they did
disputing
well
that.
so don't expect
I'm
more.
not disputing
Yabona
that.
next season
I'm happy and I'm proud of the boys. I'm very proud of
yeah,
them.
you are, but
I'm
we
just
are-
disappointed. I'm disappointed
because-
because they lost that game. They could
uzoba
have won that game.
uzoba strong
Yeah.
uzoba strong
They could
boy.
have won that game, Joe.
uzoba strong uyakuthola ntwana uzoba
Ntwana,
strong
I'm just
boy.
disappointed.
No,
I
ngiyakuthola.
thought they could have won the game.
Yeah, no.
Honestly speaking, player for player, they're better players.
yes I mean our teams is like South Africa we are better than the northern teams bona they are aggressive. We know. We always say that, and we know how they play. Our North African teams, aggressive strength, but it's speed and skill.
Yeah.
And that's why we kill them with that. You understand? We kill them with that. So I'm saying, mina le ntwana lezi, if inkinga yami it's ukuthi ucoach uyahamba. Yabona if uRivero bekasase mhlambe nenye 2 years. The team beyofika kuma final and bengayiwina neCAF. Uyangithola ngisho kanje if mhlambe bekanenye 2 years. Yabona alibe le intwana lezi bezizulu. So asazi ubani.
It was a valuable experience for them as well going forward.
Yes.
So the Pirates should keep the team. I don't know if Relemo Mofokeng is gonna go overseas.
He must go overseas. EPSL is, you can't compare PSL nabo Bundesliga, nabo French league. Let's be honest, it's not possible. Yeah. If you want to improve and play with the best and be the best, you must go to Europe. You must go up, and we don't go up, manji, because someone but no PSL say patala kahle in. That's why our players are not improving in that level.
Yeah,
that's why. But asiko lapha sidlule ntwana. Our national teams in Twanas under 20 qualified from Iguma semi-finals. We have gone under 20 and qualified for
World Cup.
World Cup. Bafana qualified for Chen in 12 years. Singa qualify. Under 17 is qualified for World Cup under 17. Beautiful for South African football.
No, the step for them. The step for them.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Uthini ngaloko mfana. I know abanye abantu before ngena bathi iChen inini. But iChen it's a tournament edlalwa ebayicreatele ama player wa local.
Yeah.
That's why ayikho ku FIFA date, but what it does, it gives amajita angatholi opportunity to kudlala for our national teams wabo. An opportunity to nabo showcase yabona ukuthi bangafita ukudlala to so called the A team, a national team. So it gives them that platform because for example Tebogo Mokoena played Chen.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
You see where I'm coming.
So you can as a coach nalapho ungakhona ukucaphula lapho.
Yes. So but overall congratulations to all our national teams under 17 Bafana and under 20 bafethu keep it up. We bona kanjani mfana le because we haven't qualified kuwo wonke ama division for more than 10 years njenge Chiefs. The Chiefs that's Bafana. I mean in our national
team as a whole.
Yeah, national team as a whole.
No, I'm happy now for all our national teams.
Ay mara ntwana ziyavutha leza under 17 na under 20.
Bamela ju.
Bafethu in the next years.
Angazi noma are we getting better in terms of development yethu or kwenzakalani? Or maybe it's because of DDC.
Yes, of course.
There's a lot of factors that I'm looking at the players that play good national team. Kunama player from Gauteng that are playing GDL, which is the Gauteng Development League, and also in the Western Cape, there's a proper structure in terms of development.
Yeah,
and I think those structures are helping our junior national teams. Because their players are competing, good players are competing amongst themselves. So level improve. So I think those structures are helping our national teams. GDL, I think all the provinces must have the structure like Gauteng, which is the Gauteng Development League. Limpopo must have this structure. Eastern Cape, all the provinces in South Africa must have these structures to improve our league. But mina Gakulu, I say big ups to ETDC. ETDC has produced a lot, and I think it's gonna continue to do that. A lot of players are coming. They are playing in the PSL, and they are doing very well. They are adapting very well as well when they come in as first timers go PSL. So big up to ETDC for me.
Yeah, no, well done, Bafit. No, No mfethu hayi nami ngijabulile mfethu. Ya lentwana okay angizibukeli iFund 1 but ngeke ngayibukela imatch e1 under 20 nayo under 20 under 17 yontwana lezi ntwana zimnandi mfethu.
Yeah, no.
Eh
There's a pool of players.
ayi lentwana eziza manje bra
Mela, yeah.
ayimele zinakekelwe lezi ntwana lezi mfethu.
Yeah.
Meke zinakekelwe lezi ntwana.
Kwamele.
Yabona then esinye story mfethu I think knowledge mfethu kuningi sicedile mfethu.
Mara there's a rumor ntwana yelo.
Because ikhona naku kick off sorry kancane black bikhona yabona manje naku kick off indaba kanabi but bathi uthi yena is not aware of lawo maruma ukuthi uyaphuma ku Chiefs but futhi aka guarantee ukuthi is gonna be uyayibona
Yeah.
but njoba sishilo sathi mayiku kick off website
Kuna something.
it's a reliable source but asikho lapho bese ngisho nje ngoba ngiyayibona manje buthi se
Kune rumor lelo mfethu. iSuper Sport amatsatsantsa madoda.
hey mina uyibone kuphi knowledge
Ngibonile nami in one of the
media houses ukuthi
ukuthi ngathi
Gating.
baya uGating ngathi ufuna ukuyithenga ayise Bloemfontein. I don't know how true is that but yeah I've seen it in a lot of amalotuzana.
no mele si nayo sizayichecka sihlafune but
yeah.
do you think but if it's true if Ivar is it good?
It's bad.
Why?
Very bad. Super Sport too. Super Sport is, yes, it might not be a big team, but Super Sport has produced a lot of great players for this country in the past 10 years.
Yeah, very. Yeah.
If you look at players that played for Super Sport are household names today.
Yeah.
And that big team, my neighbors, why Super Sport Sundowns are benefiting from Elon Tuzan. Sundowns is Sundowns today because of his Super Sport.
Yeah.
So even Bafana is dominating ngama player abuya ku Super Sport. So Super Sport has ama scouts that can get you a player ongalazi from kuphi.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
So big ups mfana ngiyacela Jabu ngicela sithole ucoach Godfrey.
Ngiyomele simlethe coach Gopi
Yeah,
on the
ngicela
show
silethe uCoach Godfrey,
coach
azosixoxela, mfethu.
yonke le gang abo Ronwen basaseyintwana
Uyangithola,
ya
mfethu.
uyafuneka
Azi mfethu azococa.
uyafuneka nathi
because
sisiyahleba bangazi basambele phambili laba abanye sane bangazi
Uyangithola.
basabele mara sizomtshela ukuthi angalinge nje aye kwenye indawo before
Aqalela
aqalela ku
kithi la.
JMTS
Yeah,
but we
because-
need to coach Godfrey.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Super Sport. When you lose a team like Super Sport, Bidvest Vets as well, we lost them. Bidvest Vets was also producing players. Saba loser to ama team wale Emalimpopo of ama tenderpreneurs. I hate ama teams who ama tenderpreneurs because they are not sustainable.
Ay shinking ayile
Teams that depend on the business and government are not sustainable. Now they are saying Minister Gating. If it's true, Gating is buying his Elon Tuzan, is Super Sport, we say Bloemfontein. It's good for the people of Bloemfontein. We all know Bloemfontein, what can it do? We all know culture yada. It's good for them. It's good for the country as well. But in terms of losing a Super Sport, we are going to lose a lot. I'm telling you, in terms of producing a talent,
no
proper
yakbam
talent,
yeah
we're going to lose a lot, mfethu. And it's not sustainable again because this guy is a minister of sports. He could be doing this thing for himself, for his numbers. What happens when he's a minister of police now and he forgets about this football team?
yeah
Now we say there's issues of non-payment of our players and I hate our football teams that are run by entrepreneurs or politicians and stuff like that. It's difficult. Panyazali Sufi uyishilo in herself ukuthi it's very difficult to run a football team. Hence they had a problem at Swallows. So now another politician comes in, he wants to buy a football team.
but it's not him.
But he is
Angisho.
leading the
But
delegation that
abantu
is buying.
abaphethe isaka abaziyo like mhlambe ngithi ama-auto amukeletso uyabona nokeletso no-snow baphethe itsimbi
But we all know how it works.
uyangithola ntwana akusu uye ngenyuku yakhe
We all know how it works. The government uye uzobakhipha isipani for labantu laba bazobe bathenga. We all know how it works.
Eish, yeah, so ngiyakuthola manje
So the day angasabanikeza ispan labantu laba to run the team then iyafa futhi team.
oh no manje ngiyayithola uyicabanga kanjalo wena
Ngiyakutshela injalo.
oh beyakusini
Hey umina ngiyakutshela.
yeah kungcono makusho wena akusho mina
Then when I have a problem, SuperSport ayisekho, just like Business is no longer there. Now we say Yaval, we sell Celtics, and then SuperSport angisaphinde futhi ivuke.
Mara iSuperSport the way rumors few years ago ukuthi vele multi choice befuna ukuyibhayisa because it doesn't make any business sense to them. So uyabona ukuthi mayiza ngothola ukuthi nabo I'm just saying based on lesaskhathi when a few years ago bebathi bayayivayisa because babona ukuthi hayi vele ayibafakeli inyuku and vele to run a football team you are right ayina nyuku that ifuna abo billionaire ifuna abo Mtsipe then nabo Brakey abantu aba ne passion nothando aba dedicated you understand and aba whereby it's his core business like uBrakey yabo then ama tenderpreneur na iliki manje ina 15 ama team mara siko lapho
silapho
ngetenderpreneur women yabo and mawukhuluma bazothi hey you hate our women nangu umama ungenile wamosha
we stating facts ntwana
wabeka ileague into distribute not only ngapha even naku women soccer sebayadlala mara bona because but the first weekend azange badlale uyabona umosha into ezibhaye uyabona so ntwana okay let's cross our fingers ukuthi if bayayithenga iSuperSport if it happens izoya ebantwini abathanda ibhola abalaziyo ibhola abangangeni bazofuna ukuduma njengalabo abanye sibabonile abangene bafuna nje ukuduma and now bakhawatha amajita baya because amajita mfethu aluza ipani amajita amanye bewangahafiwa just nama family at the end of the day utham
indoda
amajita adlala uyangibamba utham sinama family athi ngeke umuntu uzofika nje ukhipha ama bag in udlale ngenyuku nini hayi ayisifuneki lezo zinto lezo
azifuneki
uyabona but wena bakha abantwana abadla fresh uyabona but hayi asikho nabafethu that was our episode besihlafuna indaba namhlanje besizishwashwada abafethu I think sizothola igama lale episode le ukuzishwashwada ibe negama layo ngoba ayisazithethe indaba zabantu akuyafuneka mfethu hawo kusemhlabeni mfethu
sikhuluma indaba ezikhulunywayo vele makasana makubhulunyiwe
kahle kahle
what we all about
kahle bafethu we still entertain educate and engage. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis Shuffling Tiski Ringers powered by Budgets bafethu hayi siyancanywa bafethu siyancanywa Kelezo ufuna ngifunde futhi yo Kelezo hayi la I think for bafethu sisahlanganisa ibudget isasilekelela bafethu so lento le kumele ngifunde le bafethu this video was brought to you by Budgets. Click the link below to register and use code Jabu11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code Jabu10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. Jabu50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu ngicela please sicela nisupporteni bafethu in terms of ukuregister ku Budgets bafethu yasilekelela naye bafethu and njoba ngishila ama predictions wethu so far asase spot on and niyadliwa ngale izani ngapha bafethu ku GMTS shuffling Tiski Ringers bafethu sithi danko
it's a rap
danko